I love it, love it. I'm really sad, like if there's moments, if there's a day that I forgot to pack it, if I have a sleepover, I'm pretty disappointed in myself. This is a game changer, seriously. So when I first heard about SAE, it was just short of a year ago. I had a friend talk to me about it, and naturally I was really excited because I could speak to a professional about my concerns and what I wanted for my skin. So when I contacted this lady, all she asked was for some photos for her to see what's going on with my skin, and with those she could recommend products that would be good for me. And along with that, I get a PDF document sent to me through WhatsApp, very easy, telling me the routine I should follow, morning, evening, as simple as that, okay? And along with that, she explains that when you start, you might have a little bit of a breakout, nothing to be concerned about. It's the products doing its job, clearing the underlying dirt, all of that. And that's exactly what happened. I had a little bit of a breakout, but what came afterwards was fantastic. I had a natural glow, and with that glow came confidence, seriously. And it makes it so easy for you to be consistent. Glow and consistency in that glow. It was clear. I never found that I needed to leave the house to put on a little bit of foundation. There was no need for it. I naturally felt I could go out because I got comments from people commenting on my skin and how good it was. And for me, it's never been easier to recommend the product to friends. I mean, I have people talk about skin issues and I get excited to jump in and just be like, contact this lady, send her photos, you will not regret it.